Hello. So to create fees, the first thing you need to do is to go to fee management. Then you click the new fee button. So I tested by creating an tuition. I'm going to delete that and create it again. So let me quickly delete this. So to create a fee, you click the new fee button. You select the type of fee. So in this case, I'm selecting tuition. Then the description is where you describe the fee. So in this case, I'm going to say second term JSS1, second term fee. So if a fee is meant for more than one class, you can describe it by just saying second term fee. But if it's specific to one or two classes, you can say JSS1 or say something like JSS only. But in this case, I'm going to say JSS1 second term fee. The amount is 35,000, so you type in the amount there. The start date is when the fee is supposed to begin, when payment for this fee is supposed to commence. So since this is second term fee, the best time should be the end of last term. So I'm going to say December, let's say 21st. And I'm going to do the same thing for the due date, December 21st. So the due date is the software uses this due date to recognize that a child is owing that fee. So once the due date passes, the software notes that that child is a debtor of that fee. So you need to ensure that the date is a date you want to pick that will indicate from when you want to start knowing who is owing what fee and who is not. So usually we advise that you pick the same date for the start and the due date, just to avoid confusion. So now that I've created the fee, I can click create fee to ensure that I've finished creating it. So now the fee is created. You can see it here: tuition, the description, the amount, the start date, the due date, and the date I created the fee. So to assign students to this fee, I need to go to student page and select the student I want. So I selected GSS1 student because that fee I created, I assume is for GSS1 student. So it's going to list all the students in the class. To select all the students, you click the checkbox just above the first name. And you can see here it says nine selected students. So now that I've finished selecting the student, I have to go back to the fee. So I go back to fee management and I click fee management. So it's going to show the fee here. So if I had more than one fee, they will all be listed here. So as time goes on, as you create more fees, they're all going to be listed here. So, but I want to assign the nine students in JSS1 to tuition. So I'm going to click tuition. And when it opens, you're going to see the information about the fee and no students currently assigned. So to assign a student to the fee, I click options and I click assign to selected student. So it's going to list all the students in the class. You can see, you can just confirm and just scroll through looking at the student to ensure that you are not assigning a student not meant to be assigned to this class or to this fee. So all the students are just as one student and there are nine of them. So I confirm by clicking the confirm button. So now you can see that the little report has been set up already. You can see that this fee is 35,000. I've not given any student any discount, hence total discount is zero. Expected income right now is 315,000, so that's 35,000 times 9. The total paid, nothing, I've not recorded any payment, and the total balance is 315,000 because no payment has been recorded. So let's assume I try to assign student to this fee again because the students are still selected. If I click confirm, it's going to say selected student already assigned to a fee. So you cannot assign a student twice to one fee.